Hey everyone! In this video, we'll explain how to remove the Meta AI icon in WhatsApp. Before we get to the explanation, as usual, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's get to the first step, my friend. But first, let's go to our WhatsApp. Just to be honest, I previously asked Meta AI itself how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp, and this is the answer. I told them I wanted to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp, and they gave me these instructions. Open the WhatsApp application. Tap the 3 vertical dots in the bottom right corner. Tap Settings, then select Storage and Data. Look for Artificial Intelligence or Meta AI, then turn off or delete any AI-related options. Now we'll do these steps that Meta AI guided us through. First, we go to the 3 dots here, then we go to Settings. After that, we'll find Storage and Data. We tap on it, and here Meta AI told us that we would find the Meta AI icon, or we would find something related to artificial intelligence that I should delete or turn off, but I didn't find it there. I don't know if it didn't arrive. Is this feature available in my WhatsApp or not? You can try this first method and write your opinion in the comments. Did the method work for you? Did you find Meta AI in Storage and Data, and were you able to turn it off? This is the first method. The second method, my friend, is the well-known one. Go to the 3 small dots here, then tap on Settings. Scroll down, and you will find Help and Feedback. Here you will find the Help Center. After that, you will find Contact Us. Send the message to the WhatsApp support team and tell them you want to remove the Meta AI icon from WhatsApp. As you can see, send it. This is our ticket number, and they will reply as soon as possible. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write them in the comments.